I was studying and suddenly it starts raining. Like here normally rain is normal, but little bit, not like this much heavy rain. But today it's like so heavy rain, and I was like wondered about this. It's like so heavy rain today, and today checklist I just have to complete like 2-3 more left with, but I don't know what to do. Rather than study, I'm just enjoying the nature actually. I don't know, but I didn't had the lunch as well. But see, because of the nature, I just get distracted from the studies, and I'm just enjoying the moments. I didn't finish that curry yet. So today also at lunch I'm eating the same curry, but I make the rice and cucumber. Eat and be healthy. Not like some of my friends who are like Kuposhan Marij. What called Kuposhan in English? I don't know. I think the sleeping is coming into my daily routine actually. It's 4. I'm feeling so tired. I completed half of my checklist. What to say? To-do list. What I made on the first day. Some are still left. I have to do that also according to the exam schedule. And I'm sleeping with my keyboard. Actually, I was operating my laptop from here. It's with me right now. So
now connected to desktop GK24 Pro.
See, he's also calling me. If you don't have anyone to sleep, you can sleep with your laptop and your gadget. It's beneficial. I'll just take a nap of 10 or 20 minutes and then I'll wake up again and study, because if I sleep more than that, I would miss something, and that's not good for me. So let's see you after 20, 30. Okay, let's take half an hour. After 30 minutes. Till then, good night. Without run, my life is incomplete. The perfect term, incomplete. So right now I'm running, and that's the scene over here. And after running, I'll talk to you. Till then, enjoy. So right now I reached home, and see what I bring. I bring these highlighters. This one is the darker one. This one is the darker one, and these one are the lighter ones. I mean the soft toner type. These are. Let me just open it. Ayo. 1 minute. I don't know how it looks like. Let me use the paper. These are the, it's like these tones are so soft in type, and the darker one we have is like, wow, these are good actually. This is it look like, see. And let me just tear the another packet. I hope these are also good. The yellow one, yellow one is great. The blue one, and let me use the darker ones also. The pink, these are really dark. Sparkle, oh my god. Green. So I bought these 9 colors. These are so good actually, and I love this. So right now it's 8 p.m. and it's Maghrib time. So I'll just do the namaz and then I will start study again. And about the dinner, I'm not in mood to make food, so I'll order something and let's see what happens. Let's hope that the to-do list of today I would able to complete that. I mean, how much left? 1, 2, 1. I mean, I left with a vast course. So what time I will get free enough to, spend time with me. Actually, I spent it. I went for the run. Now I came, and after namaz I'll just order something. Till then what? Take care, and I'll do my study and you continue your Netflix, and I'm just continue my studies. So meet you in the next vlog. Take care. I'll not say that wear the mask outside because it's over, I guess.